Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to draw a half Sonic, half Shadow face. It's going to be aiming right at us, and that's pretty much it. We're going to color it too, by the way, so let's get started, alright? First thing I'm going to do, you can do this with or without color, so for beginners, by the way. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curve right here for the snout. Kind of like that front part of the face. It's going to be looking right at us. Curve underneath one eye. Curve underneath the other eye. I'm going to draw a line up for the kind of eye area. Line up over here. And I'm going to draw a circle right here for the nose because it's aiming right at us. Line over here, and I'm going to fill in the rest of it. I'm going to leave that any kind of like dot right there for a highlight. Curve right here. Curve right here. Okay. So far, it just looks like we're drawing regular Sonic, right? So far. Curve on this side. Curve on this side. Line underneath. And I'm going to draw a, let's say, kind of a smile, frown kind of thing going on. I want to make this side frowning because it's going to be shadow. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a circle for the one eye. Circle for the other eye. Circle inside there. Circle inside here for the highlight. Dot for the pupil. Okay, so far again, looks normal. Line in here. Kind of an anger side. It's going to be shadow side. Okay. Curve right here for Sonic side. It's going to be just the brow. Line up. Line up on this side. And what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to go into the ears. So over here I'm going to go up, down for triangle on one ear. Out over here, down for the other ear. And I'm going to draw a hump at the top. Okay, that's going to be that spike. Kind of goes off into a distance. You don't really see it, right? Line right here for an inner triangle of the ear. Line over here, inner triangle of the ear. Okay. Last thing to do is to draw the spikes on this side, and they're going to go down. Curve in. Curve in. That's for Sonics, but over here Shadow is going to be different. Curve up. Down. Over here. Curve up. Pulls in here. Alright. Line right here. Line right here. It's going to be the Shadow's red stripes. I'm going to pull a line down the center and out. It's going to be Shadow's red stripe over there. Over here on this side, curve right here for kind of some red under Shadow's eye. Let's hop into color, okay? I'm gonna grab a blue over here for Sonic side, and you're gonna see how different this is gonna look in a minute. Actually, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the flesh color tone. Just anything beige, right? Anything beige would work. Not a big deal. Let me get the flatter side of this. All right. Paper on this. Let's see. Sorry if you can see through the paper a little bit. I put like a what do you call it? Another paper underneath to kind of soak up some of the material, some of the ink from the drawing part. Sweet. Flesh color. Same thing over here. Kind of some peach color here. All right, right there. Then I'm gonna go over here to, I'm gonna grab some green for Sonic's eye. Sometimes it's green, sometimes it's blue. But I'm gonna make it green to really change it up. Fill that in on this side. And then we're gonna do red on the other side for Shadow. By the way, don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you like learning how to draw Sonic or any characters like that, or Pokemon or any kind of animated characters, I'm gonna put red over here. Let's get fill in all the reds while I'm at it. If you like doing like learning how to draw any type of character in general, I go over how to do it for beginners. Every single lesson I do is for beginners. The cool part is when you subscribe, all it is, it's just letting you know when I like what I post. So like you're gonna look on your feed, on your main page, and all it's gonna do is it's gonna let you know like what I'm drawing. It'll show you in the thumbnail, and that's it. That's if you press the bell notification. Otherwise, it won't tell you anything. But there's no downside to it, so consider subscribing if what I do here is worth your time. I'm gonna go over here with blue over here on Sonic's side now. And I'm gonna draw like kind of a line down here, and I'm gonna color all this blue. I might leave a little line here and there because it kind of does see like that white line right there at the end? It's pretty good at just separating stuff, so I might leave it in there. I'm not sure yet. Like right there, it just kind of looks nice. Looks like a shine or something. In my opinion, it just looks real nice. That's the way I used to do that when I colored caricatures back. I used to be a caricature artist at a theme park. But that's kind of the way we did it. That was fun. Right on. Now I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna press a like dark gray. I don't want to do totally black for the side of shadow because you're not gonna be able to see a single thing if I do that. So I'm just gonna put a dark gray. These are Copic markers, by the way. If you want to get them, you want to learn more about them, go to my website, sketchingeasy.com. It's a website where I try to put a lot of stuff on there for just kind of like this, you know, like learning about art. And it's a good resource to kind of learn about what these are and what they do, and you know, if they're even worth it. Because sometimes they're really expensive, so it just depends. Gonna go over here, just kind of filling in. What I'm doing now is I'm coloring my own coloring book, you know? Just coloring in my own coloring book. That's literally all I'm doing right now. Whew. That's mostly it. But I want to make it look a little cleaner. Actually, that's pretty clean, honestly. I kind of dig that. Anyways, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I hope that you got something out of this. It's fun to do these types of you know, drawings. One last thing you could do, you could make a thicker line around the outside of this entire thing. So for example, I go over here, create a thicker line just on the outside to give it a little bit more of a sticker kind of feel. It just kind of creates a little bit better of a feel here. Anyways, that's it. I want to thank you very much. You are amazing. Stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video. Share this video if you want to help the channel out. We're trying to get to 200,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Share the video. Sharing is caring. Talk to you later. For skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.